In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen blurry photos in Lightroom. Editing photos can really bring them to life, and sharpening them is a key part to enhance details, making them pop. If you have a photo that's slightly blurry, don't worry. Lightroom offers powerful tools to help improve the sharpness. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you can effectively sharpen your images. First things first, you'll want to open up Lightroom on your device. If you haven't imported your photos into Lightroom yet, you'll need to do that. Simply navigate to the top menu, click on File, and then select Import. This will allow you to choose the photo you want to work on from your files. Once your image has been successfully loaded, you'll find it displayed in Lightroom. Now, cast your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot several options that will help guide you through the editing process. You're going to want to click on Develop, which will open up a variety of editing tools. Once you're in the Develop mode, take a look at the right side of your screen. Here, you will see different panels with various tools you can use to adjust and enhance your photo. We are specifically interested in the one labeled Detail. Click on this panel to open it up. This is where all the sharpening magic happens. Within the Detail panel, you'll find the sharpening options, including Amount, Radius, Detail, and Masking. These four sliders offer you control over how sharp your image will become. Let's start with the Amount slider, which determines how much sharpening is applied to the image. Be cautious not to overdo it here, as too much sharpening can introduce noise and make the image look unnatural. Next, you can adjust the radius. This sets the size of the details that you'll be sharpening. A lower value sharpens the smaller details, while a higher value affects the larger edges in your photo. Finding the right balance here is key, depending on the image you're working with. Following the radius is the detail slider, which affects how much emphasis is put on the broader details versus the finer details. Higher values strengthen the sharpening effect on the smaller, finer edges. Lastly, you have the masking slider. This is particularly important if you want to apply sharpening selectively. To use it, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard as you slide. You'll notice a black and white mask appearing on your image in the preview. Areas in white will have sharpening applied, while the black will remain untouched. And there you have it, a sharpened image that should now shine. Go ahead and experiment with these settings to see how they affect your photo. Practice will help you get a feel for how each adjustment in this panel impacts the overall sharpness and clarity of your images. I hope this guide has made the sharpening process clear and accessible for you. Happy editing!